What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, make sure you guys click the subscribe button down below. Also, don't forget to click the bell so you guys can be notified whenever your girl posts a video. So I did my brows off camera. Yes, I will be doing a brow routine. Yes, I will be doing a brow routine for you guys soon, very soon. So for my eyeshadow base, I'm going in with the Too Faced Born This Way concealer in the shade Mocha. I use that to carve my brows, and I also use that as my concealer. So I'm going in with the new Juvia's Place palette, and this is the chocolate palette. And you guys, this palette is bomb, like bomb. I'll be making sure to use all the palettes in a video so you guys can see the tea, honey. So I wanted to do this nice smoky chocolate matte glitter eye. If you hear the dogs in the background, neighbors, like, it's too late to be barking. But I'm just going to do this simple smoky eye. This is perfect for New Year's. I actually wore this on Christmas, but I'm going to use this as a New Year look because you can wear this for New Year's. So for the glitter, I'm going to use the ColourPop glitter. I'll make sure to have everything down below so you guys can pick it up, buy it. And yeah, this look is super easy, but glam at the same time. You know, I love me a good semi-cut crease. And then I'm going to go in with the shade that I used in the crease on my lid. Everything I used was on the palette. If you guys want a more smoky look like with the shimmers, let me know down below because I will definitely do that for you guys because this because this palette is bomb. So on to the lashes, we're going to use the K Rouser Beauty Bar lashes, and this is the So Extra Lash Collection, which is launching January 3rd for $32. So you're getting 5 styles in one box, which is absolutely bomb, and you saving lots of coin. I love that you get different styles. Anybody can wear these lashes. And this is in the style Rich Girl. I absolutely love this lash because it's not too much, but it's much. It's like perfect. Like this is absolutely perfect. This is probably my favorite of the whole styles in the collection box. So don't forget, January 3rd, 2 p.m. Central Time, these lashes will be launching with the lash collection. So this is the So Extra Lash Collection for $32. And then I have lash applicators as well for $4.99. So I already primed my face with the Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Primer. And I'm going to use the Anastasia Luminous Foundation in the shade 400C. It is a little dark, but I really don't mind because I'm going to go in with a nice color concealer. And then I'm going to set it with the Fenty Beauty Loose Setting Powder in Honey. And for my concealer, I'm going to take the Too Faced Born This Way concealer in the shade Mocha. But I really love this foundation. I actually miss this foundation. It just gives you a nice glow. Well, you can actually mattify, but it gives me that nice glow without looking oily or sweaty. And it just makes you look buttery. Like, it's just a gorgeous foundation. I absolutely love this foundation. And I forgot how much I love this foundation. So if you guys have not tried the Anastasia Luminous Foundation, please try it. If you have oily skin, you will be able to mattify it. If you have dry skin, you will absolutely love it. If you have combination skin, you will absolutely love it as well. So I'm taking my Real Technique sponge. I'm going to blend that out. And then we're going to set the highlighted areas. So for my setting powder for my face, I'm going in with the Sephora Micro Smooth Baked Powder in the shade Mahogany For my bronzer, I'm going in with the Fenty Beauty bronzer in the shade Mocha Mami. And then for my blush, I'm just going to go in with the Coastal Scents, Kayla, Coastal Scents blushes. And I'm going to mix this like purpley pink and this orange. And it's going to create the perfect blush for me. And you guys, I absolutely, Kayla, I cannot talk. I absolutely love the Coastal Scents blushes because they're super affordable and they're super pigmented for the price. So, cha-ching, saving coin, saving coin. That's not like a bird, but you get what I'm saying. So, and you can also custom, so you can create your own kind of like blush palette as well. Not sponsored, by the way, not sponsored. Now I'm going in with my Sephora lip stain, and you guys, I love this lipstick. Like, this liquid lipstick is bomb. I love Sephora lip stains. I don't know what it's called, lip stain, but I love it. And this is in the shade Cherry Moon, I believe. I don't know if it's Moon Cherry or Cherry Moon, but it's perfect. It's like this gorgeous red, but kind of pink, but more red. I don't know how to describe it, but it's gorgeous. The gorgeous red. A gorgeous red. Going in with the Maybelline Highlighter. And you guys, I haven't seen anybody use this highlighter in so long. Like, what happened to the hype? Because this highlighter is everything. Plus more. So I'm going to use my Scandinavia Bridal Setting Spray to set my face. And then I'm going in with my Micro Smooth Powder to help camouflage my lace. And look at the look. We here, baby. New Year's Eve, honey. 2020. Popping, honey. So, this hair is everything. This is the Nadula hair 100%. Why do I always say 100%? 180% 360 lace wig. She's body wave and she's 22 inches. The only thing I did was cut a little of the ends because they were not up to part. So that's the only thing I did. And you guys, I love this hair. It's super pretty, like super pretty. Didn't have to do much. I'm going to one curl it and then go out my way, like go about my business. So the only products I used was the Bio Silk, of course, and then the olive oil, ORS, I believe it's called, to make sure everything is set. But you guys, I love this wig. This wig was so pretty. And I love that it's a 360. So basically you can wear this up. You can wear it any kind of way you want. And it's so scalp-like. Like, it looks so good in person. Like, it just looks so good. I absolutely love it. Like, you guys, I've been getting some good wigs lately. And I shooker than a stripper. Literally. But I'm just wanting this hair. I give this Nadula hair a plus. It looks super good. I should have pin curled it, but I'll probably do that in my next video because I love pin curls. So I'll probably do that in another video with this hair, so if we can see how it looks pin curl. But I bet it looks super gorgeous. But this is the Nadula hair. If you guys want to shop this wig, I'll make sure to have everything down below for you guys. And yeah, 360 lace front wig, honey. Giving you scalp, honey, all over. So I highly recommend it. I didn't really have a problem with it. A little shedding. Make sure you have a brush on hand because you don't want to get it tangled. But it's been really humid where I live, so that's the only reason why I have to have a brush. But bam, these are the curls, honey. Look at this body, honey. Yes, slow-mo. I look like a sniggity snack, honey. Yes, baby hairs didn't do too much. Y'all, they look good. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video.